Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can already see by the title of the video, and if you're looking at the screen, we are going to be talking about Tron TRX. A lot has been going on behind the scenes for this project, and I really do believe things are about to heat up even more. So if you like these kind of videos, smash that like button and let's get right in today's topic. Looking at the price of Tron right now, it is currently trading at 7 cents. It is down about 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but you guys can see it's up 2.2% in Bitcoin comparative right now, while the entire market is seeing a consolidation. So what's happening with TRX that is making it hold quite well compared to other altcoins? We're going to get into that right now. Looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $6.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $285.6 million. An all-time high was set back in 2018 at the previous bull cycle. Tron was recently listed and hit an all-time high quite fast back then, but never managed to hit an all-time high last bull cycle. But you guys can see the all-time high was 23.16 cents. But very something interesting that a lot of people are not discussing is that Tron's all-time high was obviously at 23 cents, and we're only about 70% away from there. This project is gaining traction very, very slowly, and not a lot of people are talking about it. And I'm going to share something with you guys that is going to blow your mind, and I have hinted this to you guys in my other videos as well. So let's get right into it. So you guys can see Justin Sun, who is the co-founder of TRX, BTT, such a massive figure in the crypto space and even in the financial world now at this point. Even if you go talk to any hedge fund manager or anyone in the stock market, well, anyone in the finance world, they will know who Justin Sun is. If they don't, I would be very, very surprised. And I've said this from the beginning. You guys know I've been supporting BTT, TRX. I've been covering, these videos last bull cycle, and I've said that, this figure, Justin Sun, he's massive. He has so many different connections that it would blow your mind, and he could pull something that no one is expecting. I want to share this thread with you guys, and then we will jump into the charts and see what's going on. And so let's get right into it. So he says TRX, a cryptocurrency that has gained significant popularity in recent years, has established a strong presence in China. Let me say that again. Has established a strong presence in China and Hong Kong for several reasons. The partnership between Huobi Global and Tron DAO will help drive adoption of digital assets in Hong Kong and China. With a strong local presence and strategic partnerships, this collaboration is set to bring exciting new opportunities to the crypto community. The future looks bright for Tron DAO in China. With a strong local presence and growing reputation, Tron is well positioned to forge exciting new partnerships in the world's largest crypto market. Keep an eye out on this space for the largest developments. And you guys see where he says world's largest crypto market. Without a doubt, China has a lot of volume coming in, and the government is looking into supporting cryptocurrencies now, and that is going to be huge. And he also states, big news for crypto today. Huobi Global has announced that it's applying for a crypto trading license in Hong Kong. This is a major step for the major cryptocurrency exchange and a sign of its continued commitment to operate in compliant and regulated manner. Very, very, very massive. If the Chinese money starts flowing and Asian money starts flowing into the markets, guys, this bull run, in my personal opinion, is going to be the biggest bull run that we have ever seen. And a lot of Chinese coins I'm looking at right now, along with a lot of Asian coins. So if there's certain ones you guys want me to look at, let me know in the comment section below. But before we jump into the charts, guys, as always, you guys know the disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at the historic price pattern, obviously, like I said, Tron hit 28 cents at the previous bull cycle, but we're going to look at the last bull cycle. According to the last bull cycle, it did top out at 18 cents, but not the all-time high. But you guys can see we found an insane level of support for TRX around this 0.046 cents mark, which was a retracement from the last year's all-time high. It was a retracement of about 74%, which is very, very, very impressive. A lot of other coins, were bleeding way harder compared to Tron, and Tron held quite, strong compared to the other ones. And I believe this bull cycle is going to be the biggest bull cycle we have seen. And, we are seeing TRX showing a lot of strength within itself. So basically, you guys can see TRX. If you picked it up on November 15th of last year at that 4.6 cents mark, you are already up basically 48%. So obviously it's not performing as well as the other altcoins right now. It has been, under the radar. But as I say, it has been under the radar. Look at the overall, rank. Has held in the top 20 rank for the cryptocurrency market no matter what. No matter what, this project has held there, and that should show the commitment and the big players that are involved in TRX. And right now we're about to face a huge level of resistance, you guys can see, which is coming up at that 7.31 cents mark. And if I show you the hourly time frame, we literally touched that and got a rejection. So you guys can see that is a huge level of a resistance that we're coming across right now. I think once we pop out of there, then another massive level of resistance coming up at that 9 cents mark. If we pop out of there, guys, things can heat up very, very quickly for TRX. So what I'm personally doing right now is looking at TRX and any TRX blockchain based projects like BTT and the other ones as well. Keeping an eye out on them because there is a positive correlation between them. They all tend to move very, very nicely together. So the entire ecosystem tends to grow when TRX starts moving. So that is something that I would recommend you guys to keep an eye out. But as I always said, always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if China comes out with some massive news, and he has been hinting, when I'm saying he, Justin Sun has been hinting some massive news coming out too, and if it's some insane news that the Chinese government is either letting traders go on Huobi, or it's the official exchange of China, or TRX is going to help them create a stable coin, this is going to be the biggest news that we can ever hear. And a lot of money is going to flow from China this time around in the Asian market. And there's a famous saying, when they wake up, things get crazy. And this is going to be very, very exciting as we go into this bull cycle. So I would love to know your thoughts down below, what you guys think about TRX, where it could be going in the immediate short term. So far the charts are looking really, really nicely, but one thing that could improve is that the overall volume can pick up a little bit. That has not been doing quite well in my personal opinion. But also one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is that TRX is also a proof of stake consensus. If I click on that to show you guys, about 2.6 billion worth of TRX is staked right now. So again, you can stake your TRX, earn passive income if you're in it for the long haul, and earn some gains off of that as well. So that's another opportunity that you guys do have available if you are a TRX holder. But let me know if you guys want to see more Tron videos. If you do, smash that like button, come join the Crypto ZX army, and come join the Patreon group. The first link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies. If you guys want me to talk about specific projects, you guys want me to cover a specific project, we can talk about hidden gems. Just a great way to communicate with one another, and it's the exclusive Crypto ZX community. So come join that, link in the description box below, and obviously it helps out the channel too if you guys join. And that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.